Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft items in the 99 Nights in the Forest game in Roblox. So if you go here, craft item, as you can see, I haven't been able to craft, actually I did craft a map, but here you'll see the ingredients, I guess, the items, sorry. You'll need to craft a certain item. So for instance, this bunny trap needs 5 logs. Should I just do it? You know what? I'm gonna do it for the sake of this video. Hopefully nothing comes at me. Oh my god, I'm scared. So what you basically need is those items. I'm just gonna pick that up real quick. And you're just going to put it in the machine by pressing on store really quickly. Then here, as you can see, I have 10 of the wood logs, and I can craft a bunny trap, an old bed, or a crafting bench, but I still need that one bolt. To find the bolt, usually it's in metal pieces or broken fan pieces or whatever. But yeah, that is how you can craft it. You can just put also the metal in that area right there. Oh, actually, here's a metal scrap. I'll use that. Let's go back to our campfire. Oh my gosh, it is way easier to do it if you have somebody with you, because this is difficult. But this is just a tutorial, so it's fine. So just put it in there. I'm just going to put this out. Then I can finally craft a crafting bench. So I'm just going to press craft. And now I can craft these items. So yeah, that is pretty much it. These are very useful. And the crockpot is also very useful, but you'll need to craft bench 3. The crockpot can make stews, and it's just easier to fill up your hunger that way. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.